everyone, this is my review of the Mike and Ike candy. This one is the Berry Blast. These are nice little chewy, fruity candy with flavors of berry. We have wild berry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, and peach berry. I've had peach berry before, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. I like how that it opens up in the corner here, so there's a nice small hole so you don't have them spilled out all over the place, and you can seal it back up and do some tape or something if you don't eat all of them at the same time. But they have a really good taste. Like I said, nice and chewy, similar to jelly beans, but they're long and has a little bit of a different texture. And they have a really nice fruity flavor, berry flavor to them. And I hope this review helped.